would think that I see the home of a department that's supposed to protect our environment. But Petroleum Plaza is the house of Alberta Environment here in Alberta. What we are here to say is that it's time to separate oil from state. Of the Wall Street movement are that we want corporations out of our democracy, that we want corporations out of setting public policy, that we want corporations out of politics, because politics is supposed to be for the people. Politics is supposed to be about the public interest. Politics is supposed to be about what's good for all of us. Politics is supposed to be about protecting the health of all of our communities. Politics is supposed to be about protecting the health of the environment on which we all depend. So yesterday we were given an eviction notice, and we beat that eviction notice.